Hey, what's up, guys? We are here at Griffith Lake, and we're about to get things saucy and get things popping. First of all, we're going to start off with the frog. One of my delights. I like fishing with the frog. It's pretty cool. I caught my first 2-pounder last year on a frog, and what a blow up and what a hit on the frog. So we're going to work that first, and I got to throw the fish, man. I got to throw the fish. So working the Zoom flappy tail fluke, grayish, and with a nice underspin. Work that secondly, and we're gonna do the same thing yesterday. Work that black Strike King buzz bait, a good top water action with the green frog. Let me go into the goodie bag. Yo. We're throwing the power bait trailer on the buzz bait, power bait trailer green frog. And last but not least, we're going to go ground and pound with the Guggen bait crack and crawl pure passion with the all black jig. This jig is for wood cover, and we're gonna need this out because a lot of wood cover out here. There you go. And also, did I bring it? Okay, I did not bring my my bag and that to describe what that is. So it's Guggen baits, pure passion. Check that out. Crack and crawl. It's good to go. So we're gonna start off working this strip right here, so we can get that popping and get that going. And fish are busting as I speak on the bank. So I got to get ready. So let's do it. It's frog time. There's that good bank. Let's get it going. Let's see what we can get with the juicy frog. We have landed. I like to start off slow, just light popping it. I pick it up, 3 pops, 1, 2, pause, 3 pops, pause, 3 pops. So I kind of pulled it a little bit on that 3rd pop. All right, we're going to give it another shot down the bank. We got hawks flying all over the place. So I give it some light pops. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm barely moving it. And I pick it up. I picked that bait up because I want to make it look realistic as possible to get those fish intrigued and get them to want to really look at the frog, man. All right, we're gonna set our aim right over here. Ooh, my stand. Alrighty, righty cratty. Let's see if we got that. I'm gonna aim right over here in this little cover area, see if anybody wants to stick their nose out and try the frog. At this place, the fish stack all the way up here. For some reason, I have no idea. It's crazy. All right, that's it with the frog. We're gonna switch a Rooney over to the good old underspin. Let me see. We're gonna do some far out casts with the underspin and see what it do. All my rods are medium light rods. It's very versatile what they can use, what they can do. I mean, I fished frogs like you saw. I mean, all kind of baits, heavy baits, all kind of stuff with this thing. And so, how I work the fish, a frog, how I work the fishes or anything as far as fish go, I let it sink to the bottom, and I'll give it 3 pops. I just with the underspin, just reel that bad boy in at the bottom. I'm reeling it really slow. Get through those weeds. Reeling it really slowly. Try to get those fish attention. I like to start out slow when I'm reeling, and I'll speed it up. All right, we're gonna give this one more go. So all basically just throwing it out and just reeling that in, the underspin. It has a lot of flash, and with that tail on it that flaps around, it intrigues the fish to want to bite. I'm kind of give it a little pop, 2 pops, basically reeling that bad boy in. I'm gonna hit this this bank right over here, and then we'll call it a day with the underspin. Kind of slowing it down on the bank. Give us 2 pops. I'm gonna give it one more go because it moves fast through the water, not like other baits. I have to take my time with other baits. I'm gonna give it one more shot. That's a good cast. We'll give it a pop. So I'm reeling it in. Reel about 3 seconds. Pop. Sharp pops. Reeling that bad boy in. Pop, pop. Reel it in. All right, we're gonna switch a Rooney to switch out of that to what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the buzz bait. Work the buzz bait and see what it do. All right, we're gonna work that black buzz bait. I'm gonna throw it along the bank. I'm gonna throw this along the bank. So we're gonna get that cracking. I forgot to tell you that bait is from Strike King buzz bait. So we're gonna get it popping. Get it popping, popping. Get that buzz bait going. Get that good action. Come on, buzz bait, fish. You know you want it. You know you want it. Still right. It's a nice little buzz bait. All right, let's see. It's thrown near this cover area. Let's see what we can get on that buzz bait. This wind is moving like straight towards me. Hold on. Straight towards me. So we're gonna see what the wind does. Trying to see what this frog is looking like. All right, it's good. Give a couple more casts with the buzz bait. See what's popping. I would throw this buzz bait one more time. One more heave ho out into the waters. Let's see what it do. Mr. Buzz Bait. Alright, we're gonna move on to the crack and crawl. Some good ground and pound action on the crawl. See what we can get at the bottom. See what we can work. This wind is picking up. Ah, darn it. Let's see what we can get close to the bank on this crawl. See these fish are hitting crawls. I have no idea what they're hitting. All I know is they hit worms, and that's about it. I don't know any other thing these fish are hitting, because I've been out here a couple times. They pop a fish, but mostly worms out here. Well, we're gonna see what it do today on that black jig, working that crawl. There it is at the bottom. Moving just like a crawl, man. That heavy jig, this jig is really heavy. That was the point of getting a heavy jig, to keep my bait at the bottom, the very bottom. So what I do is let it sink to the bottom, and I check it to see if a fish has hit it, and I give it light pops, 2 at a time. Let it sit. Pops, let it sit. Come on, buddy. Gotta be somebody home. I'm knocking at the door. I got somebody's line they threw. That was awesome. All right. Gonna give it 2 more goes with the crawl. I'm gonna throw it out, let it sit at the bottom, but I'm gonna just reel it in on top of the water. So let it sink to the bottom. Check the line. Give it 2 pops. Let it rest. I know it's at the bottom or not. Line goes slack. So it's a great technique. Throwing baits like this, worms, jigs, creature baits, to check the bottom, man. It's that ground and pound action, like I say. And we are going to, since that's not working, the pop, I'm gonna just basically reel it in, man. Throw it out. Give it some pops. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Just reel that in. Oh, I think I had a fish. No. Just reeling it in. Giving it 2 pops. 1, 2. Just reel that bad boy in. Pops. Just basically reeling it in, popping it. Popping it. I think I got a hit too. Let me hit that area again. Let me get back out there. Get back out there. Just kind of draw the fish attention. 3 pops, sharp pops. And just basically reel that bad boy in. Pops, Reel it. Pop. 1, 2. Reel. 1, 2. Kind of slightly fast but slow. All right, I'm gonna give her one more go down deep. Oh, there we go. Let that kind of sink to the bottom. Sharp pops. Try to get that fish attention. Start to reel. Sink. It's popping time. Popping time. Popping time. And we got no followers. All right, guys, that's some good teaching for today. And go out and pop yours, man. Until next time. And remember, keep it popping.